ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಿಷನ್ ಸೇವ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕನ್ವೀನರ್ ಆದಂತಹ ಮೆಹಮೂದ್ ಪ್ರಾಚಾ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟಿನ ನ್ಯಾಯವಾದಿಗಳು, ಇವರು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್, ಕೋ ಕನ್ವೀನರ್ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, ಅವರು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಆಸಿಫ್ ಅಲಿ ಶೇಖ್, ಇವರು ಬಾರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಾರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಕ್ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅನೀಸ್ ಪಾಷಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಮೆಹಮೂದ್ ಪ್ರಾಚಾ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Thank you very much to the members of press for coming on such a short notice. Our campaign to bring back ballot and to ban EVM has become a nationwide campaign now with the election results of Lok Sabha 2024, thereafter Haryana and Maharashtra. The results of these elections have clearly established that Election Commission of India's Mr. Rajiv Kumar and some other officials are actually manipulating and forging elections to make BJP win, NDA candidates win. We had started this campaign, as you will see in the press note also. Although this campaign was going on for a very long time, every political party in the country has opposed EVM. But the misuse of EVM has actually raised to a level which was never seen before after the President Narendra Modi government came to power. For that, a big campaign from 5th of January 2024 was launched on the streets as well as in the courts. Ultimately, it led to various political parties also joining, but their response has been lackluster, despite the electoral defeats in Haryana, which was clearly attributable to the EVMs, and also thereafter Maharashtra. Marketwadi village and various other examples, like my own petition in which the Punjab and Haryana High Court had ordered that the videography and CCTV footage of the entire 90 seats of Haryana will be given to me, was attempted to be thwarted by the central government as well as Election Commission by amending the law itself. However, the Bring Back Ballot campaign is actually gaining ground. In Delhi also, there is a massive campaign against the use of EVM, but Election Commission is not listening to us as of now. Before I announce my final program, because the civil society of the country has actually, and a few people like MG Devasayan Saab, who was supposed to come to this press conference, but unfortunately his health is not permitting him to come here today. Justice Kolse Patil, who was a former judge of the Maharashtra High Court, Mr. Dr. Pyarelal Garg, who collates data after every election, Raju Purlekar Sahab, Prabhakar Parkala Sahab. There are a few people, and of course Mr. Venkatesh Nayak. We are launching a campaign nationwide. We are also requesting the political parties to come and join this and lead this, because there is no point in convincing people to vote for you unless you can have their votes counted. So we are here to announce the national campaign in Karnataka also. Before this, we had quite strong programs, including press conferences and also public marches and campaigns in Chandigarh, in Jalandhar, in Haryana, Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, then Hyderabad, and now we've come to Karnataka, also Bangalore, to announce this campaign against EVM and for bringing back ballot paper. We are going to launch a big campaign in Delhi very soon. I will now like Mr. Venkatesh Nayak to show to you one example, because there are various methods by which elections are manipulated by the misuse of the government officials as well as the election officials. But the symptoms of that, which are clearly visible, one of that will be highlighted just now by a very well-known RTI activist who tried to get information. Now you must also remember that the mm, benchmark of holding a free and fair election, in the words of Mr. Rajiv Kumar, is disclosure, disclosure, disclosure. What Mr. Venkatesh Nayak is today going to tell you is that his every effort of Mr. Rajiv Kumar is non-disclosure, 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 and in this central government has also helped them by amending the RTI Act